Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage your US Bank Split card. The first thing I want you to do is go ahead and open up your US Bank app, and then here under the credit card section you should actually see right here your Split card should be visible. Go ahead and just click on it, and then what I want you to do here, go to the overview tab, and then I want you to scroll down until you see large purchase plans, and then here you will see uh, different payment plans that you are able to extend. So just go ahead and click on this one, for example, and then I want you to just scroll down a little bit and you're able to change your plan. So if you want to change it, click here on change plan, and then after that I want you to go ahead and choose the plan. So I've chosen a 6-month plan. We'll go ahead and confirm the change. You'll see how much you'll be paying per month, the monthly fee, the total fees as well. Click here on confirm change if you're happy with it. And then now you can go to your dashboard. They'll also send you a confirmation email. Then you want to go ahead and make payments or even set up auto pay. So you can go ahead and make your payments right here. There you go. See how much you're paying. Go ahead and save that. You can, of course, make the statement balance as well if you want. There you go. And you just continue with this. You review the payment details and make the payment. There you go. It's done. And that is how to manage your US Bank Split card. Found this helpful? Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Answer Unlocked. I'll see you in the next one.